that samadhi, I have seen so many people crying without their knowledge. Knowledge, so much of love, so much of aura. Okay? 12th century reformer, Basavana. This is a Kayakave Kailasa. Kalaveda, Kolaveda, Usia Nudili Veda, and Nerigi, etc. Udala Tangamadeva. He is the first man in Karnataka to see that the social equality, and he gave a beautiful spiritual meaning. Okay? What was divided or varnas, he made one. But unfortunately today what we see is, it is all distorted by matas and politicians. Basavana has become a poster boy. Okay? So, again, but he made an effort. Till today he is remembered for the work he did. Okay? He wanted to bring revolution. Even after 900 years, we are not yet to see the revolution happening. Okay? And you must have heard of Dhirubhai Ambani. 69, he kicked the bucket. I think you would have been alive for 99 years because the amount of money he had. Okay? Okay? He should have been alive. No, I think he burnt it very fast. The candle. Okay? Those who don't know personally, so he had really helped a lot of people. Though not he himself became a zero to hero. The book which Kannadadalli last year, Zero to Hero is Shunyadinda Sadhanedagi. And another book I wrote was The Empty Cup, the book of Zen. Last year it was both got released. These are all the people who are inspired me. And my guru said, these are two your visiting cards. No need to give you a visiting card. This will be there forever. I literally sat indirectly I sat for 3 years, directly for 6 months to come out of this book. I'm an engineer running business. I have a daughter, son, family. Take out 6 months, and somewhere the call from inside said, yes, you need to give something to society which will be there forever. You can also do the same. Please sit, go back to your house today. Sit. From the time you take birth until today, can you write your autobiography? Whatever happened, the toughest period, the good period, happy period, okay? Please register it. You need not publish it. Okay? It may become a bestseller.
For whose benefit?
Don't worry, sir. We live our life for not just for benefits. It is not the transaction which I give and you take. It is for the world. We are talking on leaving a legacy. What benefit? If I talk of my experiments with truth of Mahatma Gandhi, what benefit he had? His life is message. His life is message for us. Your life can be a message for me. Definitely you might have come across a lot of crises in your life. How you came out of crisis, who stood by you, who left your life in a just like high and dry, what happened. I'll tell you 40 autobiographies can change the people. You say, I know I cannot leave a legacy behind. Your experience can be our knowledge. How theory developed, how practical developed. Theories develop after somebody has practiced it. Practicals will do it, somebody study theory and come back. So there is always, but one who you are all lived your life for 60 years, whatever years. Then it should be a message for us. My guru has said that. Why don't you register your life? Give a what do you call it as? Outburst, we call it. It is a catharsis process. You can always, it acts as a cleansing for you. It cleanses your system. Okay? For what benefit? No benefit. Okay? No need. We are talking of purely transformation here, no transaction. At this age, what we can do transaction with you? Please, no. As long as you are safe, do other things. Okay? It is left to you. What I wanted to talk. And you should always ask why. Give me 5 reasons why people should remember after I go. Make a list. Go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. In Toro Bridru, there was a person like him. I remember his courage in crisis. He has managed beautifully the crisis. He always was positive. He was always encouraging. He was always motivating. You should be remembered for that. There was a person who always eating our heads, always behind our backs, always ridiculed us, always discouraged us. Good that he went. Choice is yours. You can make both the choices. Okay? Leaving your footprints mean, just imagine you're walking, you walked 60 years, footprints are already made without your knowledge, don't think. So, your name?
Jagadish.
Jagadish sir. 86. Okay? I salute you, sir. Okay. Please, for my sake, write autobiography.
Already started it.
Yes. You have begun it. One thing, sir, we don't have to get any benefits. Just keep it. Just keep it. One lady got an award for just writing some Kannada recently. Okay, I forgot her name. Okay. Some actress, Sudha Belwadi's mother. What's her name? Okay, so like that. She wrote left it. Ankita Puskal grabbed it and produced and got a Papa award. Okay. I wish Jagadish sir should get an award.
I got 3 already.
Add one more.
One more, yeah, sure. Why only one?
So, you're all of my father's age. I think your experience is more. Maybe you have a dynamic. So, always remember the combination of Krishna and Arjuna works. Vasishtha and Rama. Chanakya Chandragupta. Rama Hanumanta. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. One was a spiritual phase, another was a political phase. Unfortunately, we lost in last 6 months. Another history would have created Anna Hazare and Arvind Kejriwal. We lost it. They made a historical blunder, not coming together. It's my observation. Very ridiculous.
Not coming where?
Not coming together. Okay?
Separated.
Why? Always Mahatma Gandhi used to say, you need a political answer for whatever thing. Accept it. He made a party. He should have just sat like a Basavanna like this. Every district would have a branch today. It is my personal observation. Maybe you may have your... Every new revolution needs... In JP movement, we had Jay Prakash Narayan. Okay? We had stalwarts like Vajpayee, Morarji Desai, etc. were like army. They were Senapatis. Blunder. 2012 blunder is that. Okay? I don't know, whatever reason. And the other two parties are happy. They divided them. Okay? That's great. So you can be an anchor. You can be an anchor to the young people. You can be an axle to the, in a